Where is he? The mongrel. Will you keep a man of my standard waiting in this?
Ochewu, greetings.
Hold your greetings, Maduka. I have not come here to greet. I have only come to take that which is old. Where are my cowries, Maduka?
The moon has barely smiled on my yam this season. Even the gods themselves have stopped the rain. I'm asking for more time.
Maduka. Inapuzidara. You are obviously mad. Look at it. It's written all over you. Maduka, if not, why will you open your mouth and be telling me cock and bull stories, Maduka? Were you not the same person who swore with your accursed tongue before the shrine of Eba? Were you not? Give me 2 seasons. 2 seasons and I shall repay what I owe, Maduka. The sun has now cycled twice, Maduka. And your debt still sits on your head like a bag of stones.
I know. But even the ground has rejected me. My traps are empty. My feet are weary. Even the spirits of this forest are all against and mocking my hunting skills.
Then give that which you have left. Your daughter, Adoma.
Huh?
Yes, Maduka.
Hey, Oche, she's just a child. Her mother is lying beneath the earth. She's the only thing I have left.
Do I look to you like the wind? You should be pleading with the wind, not me. Maduka, do not test me. You have 3 market days. 3 market days to personally deliver your daughter Adoma to my compound. 3 market days. Else, Maduka, I shall strip you of everything. And I shall drag you before the council of elders and ensure that they strip you of even your name. Mongrel. Abamu. Nonsense. And Maduka, she is not your child anymore. She is your prize, Maduka.
Hey.
And I, Ochiebu, I am your creditor.
Papa. Yoma.
No. hope you didn't find it difficult to fetch the wolves.
No, Papa. Papa, you've not touched your soup. Even a goat will reject cold yam.
Adoma, there is something that is heavy on my chest. I have a price for my failure. And now the gods are making demands for sacrifice.
Which gods, Papa? The ones we carve or the ones that wear red caps?
Ochebu was here earlier on. In 3 market days, you are to be taken to him.
Am I a goat? Am I a goat tied and dragged like firewood? Eh, Papa?
Adoma, I am your father.
Then protect me like one. Father, please eat your food.
You called me. What is it?
My father wants to give me away to Ochebu.
Then we run. Into the forest. Beyond the hills. You know I'm going to take care of you. I am with you every step of the way.
No. I will not run like a thief. I will speak, and the earth will hear me.
Your spirit is like fire. But remember, fire dies when it storms.
Let it burn first. Mama, they want to sell my laughter. They think my voice is a coin. But you raised me with thunder in my bones. Let me shame them. Let me shame them with my breath. Let me be the storm they can never silence.
I once faced a leopard, all alone, in the jungle as a hunter. Now, I cannot face a council of men. When did I become this husk? I am a man now to sell his seed for shame.
Papa, do you still intend to hand me over?
Adoma, I owe Ochiegbu. I owe him my honor.
Papa, pay him with your honor. If you do this, you will not only lose your daughter, you will lose your name forever.
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you must reap. What you want, you shall get. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are strong, the gods are wise, the gods are mystery. Try to fight your shadow, you will remain fighting for nothing. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, and the gods are mystery. Shouting to the sky, fighting the rain, fighting for nothing. The gods are wise. You must reap what you sow. What you sow, you must see what you want to eat or what you want. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you will reap. What you want, you shall get.
My husband, this is the water.
Do my eyes deceive me? Or did an ant just walk past the lion? Urena. Oh. So your mother did not raise you well, eh? She did not let you know that you cannot stand like a tree before your husband? Did she not let you know that such an act can get you killed?
I'm sorry, my husband.
Urena! How dare you? Spill water on me! Are you mad? Are you mad?
Sorry.
The next one of you cockroaches who dares to forget her knees before me, that same one will I make to swallow her own spit. Are you? What are you still doing there? What are you still doing there? Get out! Get out! Get this after you! Mad man! Silly. standing there for? Idiots!
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you must reap. What you want, you shall get.
Zuzue. Noreba and Zuzue. It is when that your firewood does not boil my yam before the sun begins to bear down on your back. You will know then that this your protruding stomach, Nafukuga, will not save you. Mba Zuzue. And no fear. Norma. Adibo. Onye mere m. Onye mere m. Oh, it has gotten to this.
No,
sorry.
we are sorry.
Sorry, Bukwegi. You are sorry. Next time, try this and see the ugly part of me. You will see the ugly side of me. Cockroaches.
You must reap what you sow. What you sow, you must see what you want. Or what you want. The gods are wise. The gods are strong. The gods are mystery. The gods are wise. The gods are strong. The gods are mystery. What you sow, you will reap. What you want, you shall get. When a child fights every time for her freedom, some people call you a bad child. Some people will call you a bad child. But keep on fighting. Keep on fighting, you will get what you want.
It's okay.
The gods are strong, the gods are wise, the gods are mystery. Oh.
Every night and day, you keep weeping. Weeping like rain dropping on a weak roof, disturbing my peace. Have your tears repaid the debts your father owes me?
But I was not part of that bargain. I was not there when you had agreement with my father. Why am I being punished? Why?
Your womb is. Yes, your womb is the bargain. Agwinano, ebechisina muntu. Obiageli, ebechisina muntu.
My mother said, marriage is a bed of flowers. Why then do thorns live in my skin? Why? Why am I being subjected to pain and suffering? Why is there no love? Why? 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 Why?
You serve me food as if you are serving a dog. Is this how a man eats? Is this how a man eats?
Please forgive me, my lord. I went to fetch for fire.
Fire? Your laziness has no excuse. Your laziness has no excuse. I asked you to kneel down, and you're lying down. I asked you to kneel down, and you're lying down. Next time, you'll be very, very careful how you attend to me. Our overbloated toad. Look at her.
Sorry.
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you must reap. What you want, you shall get. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are strong, the gods are wise.
You are not alone in this. You are not. They think they have caged us. But even birds sing in their cage. Nay, we will fly one day when the wind finds us. And when it does, we will not return.
You step inside the hut like a stranger. No words, no greeting to your own father. Is this how the daughters of our land now behaves?
Should I greet a man who offers his child to the wolf? Should I offer palm wine to the hens that caught me?
Enough. You speak with a soaked tongue in fire. I fed you. I clothed you. Guided your steps ever since you were a child wrapped in raffia.
Yes. You raised me. And you also taught me that the moon listens to the truth. But you handed me over to darkness. For the price of yam and palm oil, Papa.
Adoma, I did not choose this path easily. You now speak as if your father has no heart. You know nothing of the burden a man carries when his death is soaked in his own name.
You chose your honor over my soul.
Every day I ask the wind if you are safe. My chest is heavy with fear, Adoma.
Onochirubi, the air in my father's house has grown thicker. Silence follows every step I take. Even my shadow mourns.
Your father cannot trade you like a goat in the market. You are more than a bright prize. You are the daughter of the earth. Let the elders curse me if they want to. Let my name be struck from the record, but I will never abandon you.
Onochirubi, let us fight.
Let us fight, even if we bleed.
Yes.
Yes.
You walk with great storm on your chest. I see it in your eyes. The same eyes your mother had.
The storm is better than still waters that drown silently.
But the fire that burns too bright burns out too quickly. I fear the fire in your eyes will light the fire that will consume us all.
Then let the flames reveal the truth. Let them show the villagers what pain will hide behind obedience.
Obiageri, come back here. I said come back here. Kneel down. Do not let me repeat myself, Obiageli. Kneel down. Frog all the kenwe. Monkey. Why do you set my dish down like a thief? You have no respect? Eh? I said, do you have no respect? Oh. You think your silence will save you from my wrath? Akwea? You lie.
I am sorry, my lord. I did not mean to insult you.
I am sorry, my lord. I did not mean to insult you. Ikwipi. Frog all day. Anyway, I do not blame you at all. You are now feeling like latest wife. You are still feeling like latest wife. Anumpama. Look at you. You not chiela no. You was all react. Akwea? Like you don't see who can win. Look at you like monkey. You are feeling that you have arrived. Don't worry, I don't blame you. Very soon, a new wife will join this household. Yes! Adoma, the stubborn daughter of Maduka, will soon become my wife and be added to this household.
Adoma, the one who...
Yes, the one you know. She'll be added to this household. And she will kneel before me just like each and every one of you cockroaches. And where she fails, I will break her. What are you all still standing there for? Return to your heart.
Please, take it easy. Take it easy.
Hey, get in there. And you, go and take a bath. Await me in my chambers. I will join you right after this meal. Go. Are you still there? You want me to pour this water on you? I'm off here. Ah!
Adoma. Adoma, please wait.
Obi.
Adoma. So it is true. Adoma.
What is true?
You had a new lamb for slaughter. Welcome to the pain.
That pen will collapse before it holds me.
So many people have sworn the same. Look around you. Bones do not speak.
Then I will be the bone that sings. Let them carve my name in shame. I will never kneel to him.
Adoma, he will make you kneel to him by hunger or by fears.
No, he will kneel before my spirit before I kneel to him.
Adoma. Adoma.
You brought shame to me, Adoma. You brought shame to me by sneaking out to see that boy.
And what of it? Papa, he loves me. He does not see me like a price tag.
Love? Who does love hurt? What has love built It is hunger that whispers to the truth. That do not care about love.
Then let your debts marry Ochiebu. I am not for sale.
Adoma, you must do as you are told.
Or what? Will you bind my feet and send me like a goat?
I beg of you, Ochiebu. I beg of you. My daughter is the only thing I have. Her tears has drowned my soul several times. I am begging. Give me some time.
Give you some time? Again? Maduka? Did the yams that you got from me beg for delay before you roasted them? Did the palm oil not coat your tongue, your miserable tongue without complaint? Do you not adorn, clothe, and beautify your daughter with my money, carries collected from me, and you're here begging for more time?
Ochiebu, before a man will go down to Mother Earth asking for something, that thing is very important to him. I am on my knees.
And there you shall remain. Yes, there you shall remain until your daughter, Adoma, comes under my roof. Until your daughter, Adoma, graces my bed. There you shall remain. Anumpa.
This one you call me out.
My dear, you will not believe what my eyes saw today.
What did your eyes see?
I saw Maduka newly like a dog, and our husband laughed in his face. Maduka of all people.
Let him laugh.
Okay.
One day, the gods will show their anger. Even the trees fall when they grow so proud. Yes.
Oh, Maduka.
She begged for rest. He made her pound yam.
Did you say I made her pound yam? A yam meal she would have partaken of. A yam meal you all would have partaken of. Yams from my barn. A weakling shall always beget a weakling. Take this thing back to her weakling of a family. Now. Nonsense. Poor.
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery.
She died.
Who died?
One died.
You mean Ochiebu's sixth wife?
Her water broke while she was splitting the firewood. No midwife. No rest. No care. Just pain and suffer. Ochiebu watched her and passed like she was an animal that failed to give birth.
Gods of our land. This man is evil.
They left her in the dust like that. They cleaned her blood. And now they say, prepare for Adoma's coming. That is what they say. All of you, prepare for Adoma's coming.
They lie. It will never happen. I am not a shadow to be added to that man's compound.
Then fight! Adoma, fight! Because if you do not, they will bind you and throw you into that compound like a goat. And you will die in silence, like one. Then they will bury your name in shame beneath her. Adoma, fight! If your blood still carries fire, then let it burn now or never. Fight!
The gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you will reap. What you want, you shall get.
Is it true
True about what?
that another woman died in Ochiebu's hut? Father, is that the kind of man you want me to marry?
Although I know things fall apart, life is too heavy on a man's shoulder.
Life is heavy. You speak of weight, yet you throw your own daughter to a man whose hands carries death.
You know, this is not so simple. My debt is...
Your death! Is my life the price? Papa, so you'd rather watch me buried in that man's backyard than fight for me?
Watch your tongue. You are shouting at me. I'm your father.
And I'm your blood. But I am not your sacrifice. If I must die, let it be fighting for my freedom. Not in that man's death house.
You are frustrating my effort. What would you want me to do?
Papa, choose. Be the man who stands and watch his own daughter rot in silence, or be the father who stands against a cursed tradition.
It touches my heart when I see my people suffering. It pains my heart, it touches me.
Maduka, the day has come and gone. Yet your yam barn stands empty. When do you intend to make the payments you have been supposed to make?
Ochiebu, please, I beg of you. I am asking is for a little more time. My daughter is all I have.
Then offer her. Yes, offer her or offer your blood. For when a man eats and forgets, then he has swallowed his own shame.
She's just but a child.
Then I will make her a woman. Yes, I will make her a woman in my own heart. Now listen, Maduka. Dare you to delay this payment again, and I shall take more than your daughter. I shall take your dignity.
Let's of our youth. Hey, we are nothing. Nothing. Gee, we are nothing. Hey, nothing. Hey, the gods are strong.
Adama, you think you can bring shame before me and my kinsmen? You speak like a man, but you are a man maiden.
The same maiden you want to feed to the wolves.
I will not give you time to hurt my feelings with your stubbornness.
Papa, then go to the gods and tell them how you want to sacrifice your own daughter to save your name.
I raised you with love, and now your mouth spills thunder.
And yours spills rain on my fire. Papa, I would never go to that man's compound. Not alive.
Onye nọ n'ụlọ? Onye na ya o? Nna ndewo. I come with peace.
What peace? We have come to give her hope where there is none.
Nah, I came because I love her. I love her. Give me a chance to talk on her behalf.
Love?
Yes, Nna.
In a heart that is drowning in debt?
Nah, I have strength. Eh? Nah, I have strength. I can walk. Give me a chance to pay off all these debts. And
if you don't leave my hut now, I will spill your blood on my wall. Get out. Get out of my compound now before I spill your blood. You just speak like a man in a matter of elders. If you don't get out now, I will do my worst. Get out! Don't test me. You came here with a person as a portion of your own love. And no fear. Let me see your two left legs in my hand again. You will see that this thing is not offensive.
Maduka, protect our daughter. Do not tear her to darkness. Do not become the curse you once feared.
Hey, what do I do? The fire is closing in.
Hey! Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Do you want to break my ankle or what?
Nah, sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Anumpama. Uh-huh. Be gentle like that.
I am back.
Did he tremble?
He did. He wept like a broken flute.
Hey! Ah, that is very good. Let the villagers know that you do not settle a debt with Ochiebu using tears. Tears do not postpone a debt, old Ochiebu. Tears do not settle a debt, old Ochiebu. You may leave. Hey!
If the fire must burn, let it burn with truth. If the gods gave me voice, I shall not use it to beg. I shall use it to break.
Adoma, what is bugging your mind? You've been standing here and not saying anything, and your face is so heavy.
Papa.
Yes.
I want to say something.
Go ahead.
If you hand me over to Ochiebu, then dig my grave the same day. Because you're not handing him a wife, you're handing him a warrior ready to die.
Oh, Adoma, you don't know how heavy those words are.
I know, Papa. And I say them with my eyes open. If I die, let the land remember I died standing. But if I live, I promise I will break every bone in that wicked tradition.
Adoma, your heart is heavy. Can you calm down?
Still pounding.
Yes. Did you speak with him?
Yes, I did. But his pride and ego has blinded his mind, that he could not see the truth with me. I doubt.
Then I must act now.
Adoma, no! Adoma!
Where are you coming from? You now walk the night like a stray.
I am not your prisoner, Papa. I've done nothing wrong but to be born into this house.
Watch your tongue!
Watch your heart. Because it has grown cold. I will do the needful now.
Adoma.
A lioness is always a lioness. A brave child is always a brave child. A born to rule. Born to rule is not a born to suffer.
Where is that evil man that calls himself Ochebu? Where are you? Evil man, come out! Come out! Evil man!
Who dares back at the lion?
I do. Adoma, daughter of Maduka. Your shackles do not scare me.
Let her come.
Ochebu.
The she-goat speaks. Obalo tocha. Mewo. Ikubego noku. Eh? But the point there is, do you understand the language of wolves? Eh?
Try me. I would rather be eaten than fed in chains. Ochebu, stay away from me. We will work and you will get your money back. But do not ever seek to own me.
Adoma. The river may dance, but it can never, ever drown the mountain.
Ochebu, the mountain may be tall, but even it bows to the sky when lightning strikes. Ochebu, I will not warn you again. Stay away from me. You can never own me. I am Adoma.
I love the fire in you. I love the fire in you. Adoma, I will own you. Ngasuga kunuku. Agamasuga. Suliego sena. I will own you. And what's that? What are you doing? Go back to your chores now! Now! Madness! Wherever you go, Adoma, I shall have a piece of your waist.
A lioness is always a lioness. A brave child is always a brave child. A born to rule. Born to rule is not a born to suffer.
Where did you go to?
I went there.
You went where?
I went to Ochebu's hut to confront him.
Why? Why will you go there? Do you not know it is risky? Do you not know it is dangerous for you to go there?
No, Ne. I've never been more certain. Ne. Ne, please, can I stay here with you?
Yes, you can. If that is what it takes. Here is your home.
Thank you.
It is okay. I am here for you. Me is always by your side.
Thank you.
Where is he? Where is that mongrel? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Come out here. Drag him out. Put it down. Flog this man mercilessly. It's any weekly. You think you're wise? This is the price for the seat. The price you pay for raising a viper. Nonsense. Idiots.
You have to follow us until you reach home.
Right now. Shut up.
What did I do? What did I do?
Say shut up! You have to follow us to what you resort right now.
Move it. Move it to what you resort. Move it. I did not do anything. Move it. I will go. Don't push me. I will go.
Papa, who did this to you? Stand up. Papa, who did this to you? Sorry. Let me help you up. Sorry.
Wait.
Just sit here.
Wait.
Easy.
Aye! I will advise you to let her be. Adoma is not for you.
Never! I will never leave her. I would rather die than live in your lies. She's my breath, my life, my Adoma. I will never leave her.
Okpara okpoko gburu. Ntị chiri ya. Ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozu ala n'ili. Agwa ntị ma ọnụ gị. Egburu isi ya esoro ya na. I will not advise you again. Leave her and stop being a foolish mosquito.
No! I am a man. One that you will never be. I'm a man.
Papa, you mean Ochiegbu did this to you? I'm going to fight him.
No, don't go there. He will kill you. He will kill you.
Let him try.
Adoma! Adoma, come back! Hey, you will just die. Hey.
Adoma, what is it? Why are you crying?
That wicked man. He flogged my father like a thief in the village square.
What? You mean he flogged your father? Ha! Ochiegbu. That beast will never know peace. He drinks blood and sleeps in darkness.
Ne, do you know I have not seen Onochirobi? Has he left me to my fate?
Do not speak that way, child. Hope is not so easily buried. Maybe he's busy or something. He will come.
I've not seen him.
So I said, stop crying. He will come. He will come. It's
He has him. Who? Onochirobi. Ochiegbu has him tied and beaten.
My own Onochirobi?
No! No! What? Obi, stop. Listen. You know one thing about anger? It dances on the graves of plants. And if you rush, you will ruin everything. Everything!
Okay, fine, Obi. What am I going to do?
I have a plan.
Okay.
But first, we have to be smart. Breathe. Breathe.
Okay. I'm breathing.
Adoma, let us shake the forest in silence before we roar. Yes.
Adoma, where are you? Come out. Adoma. Adoma. This is not the time to do hide and seek, Adoma. You promised me that you will never leave me. Adoma. Adoma, where have you gone to? Hey, Adoma! Adoma! Come out! Where are you? Hey! Adoma! Adoma!
I ask you all again. Where is that slippery lizard called Obiageli? Where is she? You answer me before I curse you with my ancestors' rage. Where is she? Oh, you think that your silence will save you, huh? Mama. Adibu, I am sure both of you are complicit in this. Where is Obiageli? Speak up now before I choke the living life out of you.
Please. I do not know where she is.
I do not also know.
And you dare conspire with others against your own father? Where is Obiageli? Where is Obiageli? Speak before I cut off your head!
Nne God.
Onye?
Nne God, mama.
Ije nwa, this one you came to my hut. I hope all is well.
All is well. You have not heard.
Heard what?
That Maduka's daughter, Adoma, she vanished after the beating.
The winds carries trouble only to those houses that left their doors open. They should search their hearts first.
So you didn't see her?
Did you see her when you walked in here, Ichenwa? Eh? No, answer me. Now leave before your tongue will tie itself in knots. I said leave!
Sorry. Sorry.
That is the only thing you know how to do.
Adoma, my love. Wherever you are, stay brave. Stay brave. For I will never leave you. I will never leave you. Stay brave wherever you are, my love.
This is no longer a girl running away from marriage.
Yes.
It is rebellion.
Iche, maybe it is justice marked as rebellion.
Enough is enough. Whether justice or rebellion or madness. Something has to be done before other girls follow suit.
It is really getting out of hand.
We can't just sit down and watch our girls going through this.
Ah!
Let's go.
Hey!
You're the only thing left. The only light fading in this heart. Hi. Where is my daughter? I've searched everywhere. Through the jungle. All the nooks and crannies.
I want Obiageli found. I want my wife back. I have reasons to hold her so dear. And that is why I need her to be found. Use your charms, wise one. Summon the spirits. Command the shadows, but bring back my wife now. Can you do this for me?
Even the spirits fear the silence of the brave. If that girl has vanished into the womb of the land, only the truth can call her back.
Truth? What truth?
But I hear a name. Egodi.
Egodi. Egodi.
You left me with a voice. But today I have used it to shield one whose fire will outlive us all. Let the gods be angry if they must. Adama is worth every storm. Yes.
Do you know what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
What if Obe does not return? If I were her, I will not come back to this place. Not in this hell. Eh? What if our husband finds out? That will help her to run away. Then he better kill us. Yes, we will not be slaves in body and in spirit. Kill us. This is not... I'm scared. I'm scared too. Not...
Adoma, where are you? You are the drum beat of your mother's drum. Where are you? Please forgive me wherever you are. Forgive me.
Ochiegbu. Ụtụtụ ọma.
With your greetings to yourself, woman.
What is the matter?
Where is she?
Where is who?
Do not test or insult my intelligence, Egodi. Where is my wife, Obiageli?
I do not know what you're talking about. Obiageli is not here.
Egodi. Do not play a clever woman with me, Egodi. Where is Obiageli? She may be stubborn, but she is still my wife. Where is Obiageli?
Like I said, Ochiegbu, I do not know where Obiageli, your wife, is. I have not seen her for days.
Egodi, do not let me pour my vituperations on you. You think you're smart. You think you're smart. You think I do not know how much you have been protecting her. Going around, supporting her. You think I do not know? I know. I know, Egodi. And I know you have my wife. Give her to me or you will suffer.
Ochiegbu. Mind what you said to me.
Ah! Egodi!
I do not have your wife.
Egodi! I cannot insult you. Who are you that I should insult, Egodi? Who are you? Guards! Search this place. Search every corner. Step into the bushes. Go into every hole and bring out my wife now.
Nothing, my lord.
Are you now satisfied? Are you now convinced that I am not keeping your wife?
I know that you are hiding Obiageli. I know that Obiageli cannot disappear from my home without your knowledge of her whereabouts. Egodi, I know, and I'll be back.
And I will be waiting.
Get out
of my heart.
Egodi. Pray to the gods that I do not discover Obiageli is with you. Because if I find that she is with you, that you are hiding her, that you have any hand in her disappearance, Egodi, even the gods will not save you.
Get out of my heart. Toothless bulldog.
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What?
Ochiegbu! Ochiegbu! I know you are in there. Ochiegbu! You are here. Ochiegbu! What is it? Leave me, let me go there. I am not here for jokes. Let me be. Ochiegbu, you are seated there watching them.
Let him come in.
Leave me. Ochiegbu. You conniving, slippery maggot.
Maduka, have the gods of madness promoted your level of insanity? How dare you storm into my compound, raving and shouting like a stray goat? Adadi, Obilitegu.
Ochegbu, where is my daughter?
Leave us. What nonsense do you speak of?
Ochegbu, you took her. You took her with your blood-stained pride. You knew that she was never ready to marry you, so you took her forcefully.
What nonsense are you spitting? Is Adoma missing?
Don't you ever pretend on this, because it's going to be the height of it.
Well, I do not know where your daughter is.
You lie.
I have not seen your daughter, Maduka. And if indeed she's missing, perhaps she has run off like Obiageli did. But do not again in this miserable life of yours, Maduka. Come storming into my compound, accusing me of something like this without proof. Do not ever try it again. Now get out.
Ochegbu, do not take the gentleness of a lion for cowardice. I shall return.
I said get out!
I shall return. I shall return. Ochegbu, I shall return.
Get out!
I shall return.
Adoma, missing. First Obiageli. Now Adoma.
Hey God, please tell me the truth. Is my daughter here with you?
She's not. I have not seen her.
She's missing. My Adoma is gone. She spoke with you. She confided in you. Hey God.
Maduka, the poor girl begged you. She pleaded with you, but you sold her off to Ochegbu. You never listened to her.
I was doing what was right. Hey God, this is what the tradition demands.
Did I hear you say tradition, Maduka? Okay, then let tradition find her. You chased her out. That means you have no home.
Chimefukwamo. Hey!
Have you heard in kitchen that Obi has vanished?
And Adoma too. 2 daughters gone just like that.
Maybe they run away together.
Do you think they planned it?
Maybe.
Maybe the gods has taken them before men could destroy them. start going.
Oh, them called you. My regards to your people. Wow. This our community, things are happening. Oh.
Onochirobi, where is Adoma?
What?
Do not play dumb with me. Did you help her escape? Has she taken off? Tell me now.
I swear on the bones of my mother. I know not.
Now you listen to me. You have this chance to speak up now. Tell me all you know. Where is Adoma? Speak up!
I've been here starving. If she's nowhere to be found, that means she left me alone here to rot. I don't know. Lift. Ah, Adoma. Adoma, where are you?
Utadu azụ ọdịile, eburudu azụ ọbịa ọgụ. Maka na nkwụ na nkwụtụkọ n'oke oge igu n'igwe abịakọ ọnụ maka na ọgụ nke olu abụghị ụsa. O wee na-ajụ nya bụ nwa ndụ ya ọ dịkwari. O wee na-ekwu na ndụ ya dị. Nya bụ. Where is she? Ugiri na-adị atụ asị. Anyị zụrụ nwata nwaanyị a. Akpụ ọkalete, ose, otule ọbata, ọkpọm dibịa nzi ya, ọsị m mmanwụ ndị ilo nzi ya, okwuo nnọ. Your daughter is not dead, but her spirit is hidden under a shadow.
Where is she?
Bata abụghị ọgụ ọbụlụ mgba. O wee na-ajụ nya bụ nwata nwaanyị nwa nwaanyị kedu ebe ọ nọ? Where is she? Ọ nọkwọle? Ọkpọm dibịa nzi ya, mmanwụ ndị ilo nzi ya, okwu nnu. Onye rụrụ akwụ ka aka na-eru ntụ. Maka na nwatachi ghọrọ ibi ya ọsọ eweta mmanụ ka eji weta akwụ. The one who holds the truth walks freely under the sun. But the gods wait till the truth is being told.
Is she hot?
O wee na-ajụ na o nwere iwe melụ nwa na akọbi ihe n'alụ. Ọkpọm dibịa nzi ya, ọ sị na ọ nọ n'ọfọ jebere ejebe nche nsi ezi ọ naba anaba ya zitekwa iji. Maka na ọkra ha ọkra ka ịyọta ha ọkra. Ma onye akra ha akra ịyọta ha akara ya ahụ ọdụ aka ahịrị ya. Your hands are not clean partially. Seek for where the wound began. There you shall find the source of your problems. Maka na nkwụ na nkwụ ndọkọ n'oge oge igwu n'igwe apịakọ ọnụ. N'aka na-aga n'ike mgbe ọlụta ha ahụ ọlụta nsị. Ihe
Let's just walk home gradually.
I'm only going to allow you to hold my hands because I know you're not that strong.
I know. That's why I said don't do that. I will lose my strength, my breath totally. I told you, as that antelope jumped and then entered back to the jungle, next time we will catch it.
Okay.
Listen, I've told you how to kill any animal. You kneel, then aim with your one eye closed, and then you aim like this. Tim! You can never miss a target. Try it. Let me see.
Okay, hold this thing for me.
Yes.
Let me try it.
See, that tree. Yes. You raise it up. Close your left eye. You close it. You use your right eye. Okay.
I got it.
Let me handle it.
Papa.
Yes. So when you hold a gun, it's either you muzzle down or you muzzle up.
Oh, okay.
So let's go. Yes. Let's go home. You see, this is the reason they say Anobalanta Echibunta. As the antelope skipped into the jungle, tomorrow we'll catch it.
Yes.
Right.
Papa.
Yes.
Do you think I'm going to make a great woman hunter?
Oh, yes, you are going to be greater than I am. And the whole of this kingdom will be saying, the daughter of Madoka is a great hunter.
Because I have a heart
of a
lioness.
You're a lioness already.
Yes, Papa.
You're a lioness already.
I'm going to catch.
If you are moving in a jungle, you don't move straight. You be looking sideways. I want you to dance for me, like you usually dance. Odaram to, munye namo, ogo to dara, lacha, onye hangwa wene, odaram to, na munye namo, ogo to dara, lacha, onye hangwa wene, I want you to dance for me, like you usually dance. Odaram to, munye namo, ogo to dara, lacha, onye hangwa wene, onye ha nwa nwe na ụdala m tototo na nwunye na m ogote ụdala lacha ọlacha lacha lacha onye ha nwa nwe nne onye ha nwa nwe na ụdala
I'm tired.
Tired?
Yes.
I know you are.
Papa.
Yes.
If I ever disappear, are you going to look for me?
I will tear down the sky and raise the death in search of you. Don't ever disappear.
No, I won't.
Yes, you told me that you're going to cook a special food for me today. You mentioned Oba, Okoroko. Which other thing?
Papa, is it one food? Uba and Oporoko?
Oh, yes, you said so.
So I'll just make you a very delicious soup, okay? Yeah.
With ogiri.
Yes.
And also salive. I don't like bitter things, you know. I like sweet things. Bitter life, bitter. Oh no.
Okay, fine. Ubu
So,
leave.
what do you want me to do now? Do you want me to go to?
No, just go into your hut and go and
relax.
relax. Yes. And wait for me. So let's go.
The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you must reap. What you want, you shall get. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are strong, the gods are wise, the gods are mystery. Try to fight your shadow, you will remain fighting for nothing. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, and the gods are mystery. Shouting to the sky, fighting the rain, fighting for nothing. The gods are wise. You must reap what you sow. What you sow, you must see what you want, or what you want. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. The gods are wise, the gods are strong, the gods are mystery. What you sow, you will reap. What you want, you shall get. When a child fights every time for her freedom, some people call you a bad child. Some people will call you a bad child. But keep on fighting. Keep on fighting, you will get what you want. Because I'm strong, because I'm wise, and because I'm mystery.
The boy is not here. How possible is that? How? We must tell the master. We must go in. He must know. Let's go.
It touches my heart when I see my people suffering. It
Hey! Who touched my talisman? What happened to my talisman? Who repositioned my talisman, I ask?
We do not know, my lord. And we will never touch anything that belongs to the gods. Yes, they do.
Lies! Liars, all of you! Green snakes in green grass! Who repositioned my talisman? Who dared to touch the sacred talisman of my God? You!
No,
did you reposition my talisman?
No, I did not.
Ah! This is you!
No,
this is you!
No, I did not.
Then who did?
I did! Huh?
Yes! How dare you! How dare you walk into my compound and confess that you defiled my gods? How dare you! Are you mad? Are you mad?
Your days of terror are over, Ochiu. You took lives. You built a throne with our blood. But now, the gods you pretended to serve have rejected you.
You dare! You dare! The gods of Ojebu! You think that mere chance and courage can help you undo what has taken me endless years to do? You lie! You fools!
We not come with just chance, Ochiebu. We came with truth. Because truth is power.
Dikana, opa nongu.
The soil you came from, the same soil you shall return, Ochebu.
Father. No.
Father.
No. No.
Vultures. Vultures are grateful to the gods for keeping the elderly ones alive, to remind the younger generations that their meats are not for delicacies. How to about the number song they wouldn't hear? No, they John were to go senior the so. Mbasang would not about to no. Hey, oi. Hoi na tomba. Achiebu.
A lioness is always a lioness, a brave child.
If our Adoma had not stood firm, we all would have chosen destruction over direction. Adoma, thank you for choosing the right way. Thank you for choosing to do this for us and with us.
Today marks the end of an era. No more shall a woman be tossed into the hands of a man, all in the name of death.
Yes.
No more shall our bodies be traded like meat in a market. We are not property.
Yes.
Yes.
We are not coin.
Yes.
We are the hearts of this land.
Yes.
We birth nations. We nurture warriors.
Yes.
We speak with the tongue of the earth.
Yes.
We are free!
Adoma, by the order of the council and the power of the spirits of Umuada, we hereby crown you, Ozi Umuada, messenger to her daughters.
Let's come together, bring our heart lioness, a brave child. It's always a brave child, a born to rule. Born to rule is not a born to suffer. A born to rule is not a born to suffer. We are born to rule, we are not born to suffer. A lioness.
Adoma, you have led with fire, honor, dignity, and wisdom. May you continue to guide the women of this great kingdom with greatness and peace. The gods of the land be with you. Say.
You're not just a woman, Adoma. You are the heartbeat of our tomorrow. The best woman this land has ever known. Omalechan.
Onochirobi. And you are the only man who sees me as a partner, not a possession.
Hey, I'm going to come with my people. I want to honor you every day. Every day.
Thank you.
Adoma. Aye. Otom.